In this video, let me show you the way that you fix the WhatsApp status upload problem. If you're trying to upload a status onto WhatsApp and you're not being able to do so, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if your internet connection is stable. Try to use other applications and try to ensure that. You can also try switching between networks such as Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Secondly, what you can try to ensure is that you have at least 1 GB of free storage. If your phone does not have 1 GB of free storage left, delete all of the unnecessary applications or any sort of media files that you do not currently need, or you can also try to transfer them. Also, what you can try out is try to restart your phone. So just tap and hold the power button on your phone and try to restart it. Now, after doing all of these steps, try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, what you can try out is try to clear the WhatsApp cache. Tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called storage. Right inside of storage, just tap on clear cache. Now, what you can also try out is try to see if there are any new updates available. So just head over to the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp, and if you do see new updates available, just tap on the update button. What you can also try out is try to uninstall the WhatsApp from your phone and then again re-download it. This also ensures that any sort of bugs or minor glitches which might be causing the issue should be now fixed. Even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with uploading your status, then it is likely the problem from the WhatsApp side, so you just need to wait out a couple of minutes or sometimes even maybe a couple of hours before the issue is automatically solved. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.